Summary. When you select Finish in the Jobs Allocation screen, the resources that have jobs allocated to them are removed from the Jobs Allocation screen and placed in the Current Summary screen. These resources have now been planned and are ready to be dispatched. However, until you press Complete to end the planning process, these resources do remain available to be edited. This allows you to complete the allocation to these resources and continue planning other resources, perhaps as new jobs arrive during the day. To continue allocating to a finished resource, click on the three dots to the right of the resource name and select Send Back. You will be asked to confirm your choice. Please note that pay-as-you-go customers will incur a further charge if they re-optimize a finished plan. When you select Yes, the resource is removed from the Current Summary screen and returned to the Jobs Allocation screen for further planning. The upper section of the Current Summary screen displays the route statistics. If some of these details state Not Applicable, this is because either some of the details necessary to calculate this figure were not imported into the system, or the route was finished or manually sequenced without being optimized. Beneath the statistics are displayed the planned resources. To view the individual jobs assigned to a planned resource, click on the down arrow to the left of the resource name, and the list of the jobs planned for that vehicle will be displayed. The details for each job can be viewed by clicking the three dots to the right of its name and selecting View Details. Press back to return to the Current Summary screen. You can view the route of an individual resource by clicking on the three dots to the right of the resource name, then selecting View Route from the drop-down menu. This displays the Route Details screen. On the left-hand side of this page, the map displays the route of your selected resource, and the numbered icons provide the sequence of the stops within the route. You can zoom in and out by using the controls and by dragging the map screen. On the right-hand side of the Route Details screen, the statistics for this route are displayed, and the individual jobs assigned to this resource are listed beneath. The details for each job can be viewed by clicking on the three dots to the right of its name and selecting View Details. Press back to continue. You can export this single route by selecting the Export button at the top right of the screen. You can export in Excel format, by PDF, or to our mobile application. Select Back to return to the Current Summary screen. You can view all of the routes together by selecting View All Routes at the top of the Current Summary screen. On the left-hand side, each resource's route is displayed on the map. On the right is a list of all the current resources with a colour key denoting the route on the map. The jobs within each resource can be viewed by selecting the down arrow to the left of each resource. The details of each individual job can be viewed by selecting the three dots to its right and selecting View Details. Select Back to continue. Select Back from the Route Details screen to return to the Current Summary. You can also export all of the routes together to Excel, PDF, or our mobile application by clicking on the Export button at the top right of the screen. When you have completed your planning and your resources are good to go, click on Complete at the top right of the screen to end the planning process for these resources. You will be asked to confirm your selection. Completing planning removes your resources from the Current Summary screen and transfers them to Route History Details screen. See our video on route history for further information.